Don't scroll. Today I'm showing you how to make the most flavorful homemade goat pilau with perfectly fluffy rice and tender goat meat. Stay till the end because I'll reveal the secret ingredient that makes this pilau taste incredible. So the key secret for delicious pilau, you have to let your onion fry until it is brown, and to give you a perfect brown pilau. You season it with salt before adding in our meat. So this is the onion. As you can see, this is how we want the onion to cook. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in the meat, the goat meat, in the fried onion. Garlic, the grounded garlic, ginger, coriander, cumin, cassia stick, cinnamon stick, and bay leaf, and followed by our pilau masala. Adding 1.5 teaspoons, like that, and mix everything together. Cover and let it steam in a low heat, in its own liquid for about 10 minutes, and we'll come and add in our tomato. In case you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button in your screen, and subscribe to our channel. Add in a little bit of warm water to let the meat cook for 5 minutes, and we'll go ahead and add in the rice into our meat. Because we're preparing goat meat, so it's gonna take a little bit of time. We need the meat to soften first before adding in the rice. The meat is all done. We're gonna add in our rice. Add in our clean rice. And stir, mix the rice. Add in a little bit of water for the rice to cook. That's enough. Then cover and let the rice cook. So I'll season it with sea salt, just a little bit, and olive oil. Then toast. So our pilau is all ready, guys. As you can see, it came out so perfect. Fluffy rice. Look at that. Yeah, it's ready. Thanks so much for watching till the end, and don't forget to do what? To subscribe, like, share, and comment down below and let us know where you're watching from.